Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preparing what Shopify AI needs to work well. Connect AI from settings, turn it on, grant permissions, and point it at your product feed. Once done, upload a CSV or sync your catalog so titles, images, prices, and tags are available. This gives AI context. Make sure to define goals, whether you want SEO-rich descriptions, ad copy, or automated customer replies, because the why shapes prompts and templates, and that immediately improves result relevance and speed. Now you configure prompts and workflows inside Shopify AI. Select a template, product description, or ad copy, and customize tone, length, and target keywords. This controls style and SEO. Then create prompt presets for common categories so you don't rewrite prompts each time. Link automations, trigger generation on new product upload, price changes, or low stock. Make sure to test on a small sample of SKUs first. Evaluate output quality. Then iterate on prompt details to tighten accuracy. Finish by reviewing and publishing AI outputs carefully. You should inspect descriptions and ads for accuracy, brand voice, and price consistency before you publish. Once approved, publish in batches or schedule postings, or enable auto-apply with a human approval step for safety. If results are off, troubleshoot. Refine prompts, correct product data, rerun generation, and compare versions. Monitor CTR, conversion, and search rank to confirm impact. This feedback loop is how you improve results over time and avoid repeating mistakes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.